hair here, and I've treated myself, so I'm going to do a vinyl unboxing. Well, unwrapping, really, but it doesn't matter. So today, we're going to unbox Blur's self-titled 97? Yeah, 97's album, Blur. And the more special one, which I didn't know existed, we have the Beatles, the Decca Tapes, from the January 1962 sessions, which is really cool because obviously there's Pete Best instead of Ringo. We'll start with this one, shall we? Since I'm doing the Beatles videos. For those in the United States, the Beatles burst upon the scene as an overnight phenomenon on the Ed Sullivan Show of February 9th, 1964. The years of hard work and paying dues in small clubs in England and Germany preceded this so-called overnight success. Quickly issued in the US, taken 15 years. I don't know, I'm not going to read all that now, but there's a really long section of it. And it's the deluxe Gatefold edition on 180 gram vinyl, which is cool. Now I better do it on camera. That's what this video is about. Come on. There we go. This cellophane is always annoying. Okay. Just without the cellophane on it. And then, oh wow. That is cool. Try and get both pictures in frame and not all blurry. Oh, come on. So it's a basic black vinyl, but nice label, which I'm assuming is the Decca Records label, Decca Tapes. Pardon me. So, breathe. So we have Like Dreamers Do, Money, Till There Was You, Chic of Our... No, over that side. What am I doing? Chic of Arabi, I can't pronounce that. To Know Her is to Love Her, Take Good Care of My Baby, Memphis, Sure to Fall, Hello Little Girl, Free Cool Cats, Crying, Waiting, Hoping, Love of the Loved, September in the Rain, Bésame Mucho, Searching. I can't do an Italian accent, I apologise. But it's just, I mean, it was £11, $13. So I just thought it was cool to have in my collection. And it's a 108 gram vinyl as well, as I said, which is just better again. I've been listening to a lot of the B-sides from the past masters, and some of them, like This Boy, is amazing. She's a Woman, that's what it's called, is amazing. And I'm Down, which is a Little Richard inspired, really, really shouty song. It's just amazing. But the Beatles could never do no wrong. And look at how young they look. Look at how young they are. With Pete Best as well. Which, poor Pete Best. I think the story goes that he was let go because they didn't think he was a very good drummer. But I might be misquoting that. So next up we have Blur's self-titled LP from 1997, which I picked up because I do love Britpop. It's my favourite kind of music era. Beetlebum is an amazing song. Song 2, fantastic. On Your Own is great. That's the only ones I know. But you know, Blur are a great band. They're not as good as Oasis, but yeah, I know they beat Oasis well, their single Country House beat roll with it. But then Oasis came out with Wonderwall, so... And I'm being... I'm trying to make the case for something that happened almost 30 years ago. I like this. This is nice because it's... No, do it properly. This is proper card. It's proper thick card instead of... Some records come and it's almost paper. The Specials first album I've got, it's not in its original thing anymore because it was just like paper and it broke. Ooh. Get this one, shall we? Okay, I'm not going to get it out, but it's a pretty little sleeve design. Now, my favourite Blur song is Country House. I love the Britpop vibe, and I like This Charmless Man, or just Charmless Man. Is that what it's called? I think so. It's just Damien Albarn has a really nice singing voice, and I need to get the hair out of my face. It's bugging me. Just yeah, I love Damien Albarn, and I also love the Beatles. I'm going to film a video where I talk about all the Beatles oddities, which will be filmed later, but I'm going to listen to that first, so I'll talk about it in that video. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Take care, everyone. The wink. Don't do the wink.